Bernie, can you do me a favor? Lay on your belly. Just lay on your belly.
Yeah.
Can you lay on your belly?
Fuck you, this motherfucker. You motherfucker. Shut up. Shout this motherfucker.
Bernie,
please.
Bernie, do me a favor.
Gotta get out of breath. You shoot him.
Bernie.
Shut up.
It's just after midnight in a quiet New York town. State troopers are responding to what sounds like another domestic disturbance call. At first, nothing seems completely out of control, but within minutes, the entire situation takes a turn nobody at that scene was prepared for. And what makes this case unsettling is that even after watching the footage, people still can't fully agree on what actually happened that night. Watch closely, because the small details in this bodycam footage completely change how you see the ending.
Bernie, it's the state police. Can you come out with your hands up? What do we got going on? You're not in any trouble? We just don't want to see any knives or anything in your hands. Bernie, what are we doing? Bernie, what's going on? Bernie, it's the state police.
The call comes in around 12:43 in the morning. Troopers arrive at a home in Norfolk, New York after reports of a domestic situation involving possible weapons. When officers pull up, the atmosphere already feels tense. Outside the residence, they encounter one individual standing in the driveway holding a knife. The officers immediately begin trying to secure the scene, and within moments, attention shifts toward another person still inside the home. According to investigators, officers believe that person may have been acting aggressively inside the residence. You can actually feel the uncertainty in the bodycam footage here. Nobody on scene fully knows what they're about to walk into, and this is the moment where everything starts escalating.
He's covered, by the way, he's covered in blood. He's got something in his hands. Yep. Not sure what it is. Okay. All right, everybody glove up.
Get in! Get in! Get in!
Definitely mental health.
Yeah.
He's got something in his hand. It doesn't look like a knife, but he is all covered in blood.
Get in! Get in!
Timmy, or Bernie, drop whatever's in your hands.
Timothy, Shelby. Timothy, Shelby.
Put it down.
Shelby, please.
Put it down.
Please,
All right, get on the
Oh
ground.
my fucking God, Timmy. Timmy, please.
Okay. All right,
Bernie, please. Please, Daddy.
Bernie, what's going on?
Please, Daddy, give me. Please, Daddy,
All right,
yeah, don't pay in front of him.
all right,
Timmy.
all right,
Please, God.
all right, Bernie, we're here to help you, okay, man?
Timmy, please. Guys, shoot him, guys, shoot him. Please, guys, don't let him kill me.
Bernie, no one's gonna
He already killed my parents. Please.
No one's gonna do anything.
I gotta go. You.
Have you taken anything?
Please, God, no. I swear to fucking God. You better take him. Timmy, please, God, take the day, babe. Please. Timmy, please. God, take him.
Bernie, can
Don't
you
get him
can you do me a favor?
Timmy,
Lay on your belly. Just lay on your belly.
Yeah.
Can you lay on your belly?
Fuck you, this motherfucker. You. Fucking shoot, shut up. Shoot this motherfucker.
Bernie, can
Please.
Bernie, do me a favor.
Gotta get out of breath. You shoot him.
Bernie,
Shut up.
Bernie,
Please, Timmy,
can you do me a favor and lay on your belly?
Timmy, he's gonna kill me.
Lay on your belly.
Timmy, please, he's gonna cover me, please.
Okay. Hey, lay on your belly.
Okay,
Can
take
you-
him out there.
We're here to
Take
help
him
you.
out
Lay on your
now.
belly.
Now.
Okay.
Behind you.
Bernie.
Please, behind you.
Bernie, we're here to help you.
Behind you.
We're here to help you. Okay.
Please.
Okay. Put
Please.
your hand behind your back right now.
Please, don't get me behind you. You understand, man?
We're just here. Okay.
God.
We're here to help you. Okay.
He's behind you.
Okay. No one's
Guys,
behind
he's
anyone.
behind you.
Okay.
He's fucking behind you.
Okay.
Okay, please, Timmy. Oh, he's got.
Really?
Please, baby. Okay. Please, right? God, please don't get me. Timmy, please, I'll do it. Okay. God, please.
Yep.
Okay.
At this point, the officers don't know if the situation is calming down or getting worse, and if you watch carefully, You can hear how cautious everyone becomes. The energy completely shifts. For a brief moment, it actually seems like the situation might end peacefully. The object is dropped. The officers begin moving closer. Then something unexpected happens. The man suddenly collapses to the ground, and the confusion on scene immediately turns into panic.
Save me! Please. Okay, listen. I swear to fucking God.
Watch your arm.
Please, God. Save me! Okay. I'm dead.
You're not
I
dead.
can't breathe.
You're not dead.
Okay, please, guys. Okay.
Stop.
Dad, okay. I can't fucking breathe. Dad! Okay. Please, save me. Oh, God, please. I'm dead.
Okay, that one's good.
I can't breathe.
This one's good as well.
You killed me, so
Okay.
much. Okay, guys. I didn't
anyone
do
have any
anything. Okay.
Constraints or anything like that?
Please.
Hobble in the car.
God, please. Please. Oh, God. Save me.
Okay.
Okay, if you did this, I'm done.
Check yourself,
I
everyone.
swear to God, please. Please help me, please.
Good.
God.
We're here to help you. We're here to help you. Stop
God,
grabbing
if
it.
you
Stop
Oh,
grabbing it.
God.
Can we drive a patrol car down here? Yep.
Please.
Copy, you need EMS, I'll send them over.
Please. I can't believe.
Someone get on his legs. Pull him out.
Hey.
You got him? Yep. All right, I got his hands.
I'm good. Please.
Pull him out. Pull him out his legs. There you go. Yep.
Okay, I'm done. Please
No.
save me.
No.
Please save me, please. Please. Okay.
Nope.
Help. I will God. Give me. Hey, God. Ah. So, please. Please. Come on, please. God. Give me. I just. Oh, I'm done. Ah. Give me.
All right, this cuff's slipping up over his wrist, Chuck. It was like up to here at one point. All right, I'm gonna secure the inside of there because there's blood everywhere in there. Yeah. Okay. You guys got him for a second? Yep. I want to make sure there's no death marks or anything. Yeah, 100%. See what? Make sure you can't get out of these ones. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, I can't fucking reach the button there. Okay. Just have to watch him on this hand for now. Alright, Nelson. I'm gonna go make sure she's not tripping out because she had 2 knives in her hand when I got here. Yeah, we're good, man. Make sure she doesn't get those knives back. Make sure she's not going anywhere, okay? Hey, still with me, Bernie? Bernie. Hey, Bernie, you with me? Bernie. Bernie. Bernie, you here? Bernie. Okay. Ed. Bernie. Ma'am, stay back! Go up by the troop cars! Stay back by the troop cars, please. Hold him, I'll get my phone.
At first, officers appear unsure what they're seeing, but within seconds it becomes clear this situation is no longer about control. Now it's a medical emergency. The footage becomes chaotic. Officers rush in, emergency medical assistance is requested, and despite everything leading up to this moment, you can hear the urgency completely change. The focus now becomes keeping the man alive. And honestly, this is the part of the footage that viewers are debating the most, because depending on how you interpret the situation, the entire incident can feel very different.
You doing all right? Just have to watch him on this thing now. Nelson. Just make sure she's not tripping out because she had 2 knives. Make sure he's good.
Some viewers believe officers were dealing with an extremely unpredictable situation. Others believe there are still unanswered questions about what happened in those final moments. And that's exactly why this footage is spreading online, not because it's loud or dramatic, but because it feels confusingly human. One moment, officers are responding to a potentially dangerous domestic disturbance. Minutes later, they're desperately trying to save someone's life. And cases like this always leave people asking the same question. Could this situation have ended differently?